The new Kata monitor arm from ESI, designed in conjunction with Web Associates, was developed with the goal of combining a sleek, streamlined, modern design with industry-leading functionality and quality. By focusing on the essentials, the design team engineered a perfect balance between motion and support at all 5 points of movement. With a height adjustment range of 14 inches and smooth motion design, users can make effortless finger touch adjustments. The Kata monitor arm is also flexible enough to accommodate varying workstations by retracting to 5.5 inches and extending to 21 inches. This offers a comfortable viewing distance no matter the size of the worker's workstation. Equipped with a tension gauge, users can easily fine-tune their Kata to accommodate varying monitor weights ranging from 4 to 20 pounds. Designed by a team of experts, this monitor arm revolutionizes the modern-day workstation through optimal performance, elegance, and functionality. Contact ESI today to learn more. Versatile, sleek, dynamic. Kata.